Mmm. Pan-Fried Turkey Cheeseburgers. And they are beautiful. Today from Chez Trips.
Come on. Oh, baby, don't you wanna go? Come on.
Hello. Welcome to the kitchen of Chez Trips. I am the owner and proprietor, Chef Trips. For today's video recipe, I will prepare pan-fried turkey cheeseburgers, and they are beautiful. Over a medium heat, toast your buns with butter until they are nice and golden brown. We are using whole wheat bread to cut down on the use of some of those white devils. No, David Dukes, I was not referring to you or those of your ilk, but you can still get the fuck out of here. Grate your onion into a bowl. Be sure to collect its juice. Add turkey, mayonnaise, steak sauce, and parsley. Mix gently. The consistency will be very mushy, so you will not be able to form a patty directly. Spray a skillet with cooking spray and place over a medium-high heat. When the skillet is hot, spoon in a burger into a patty shape. Cook until browned, which should take about 4 to 5 minutes. Gently flip and continue to cook the other side until it's no longer pink, which should take about 4 to 5 minutes more. Please make sure to comment, share, subscribe, and like, and follow on all of the social media platforms of Sports Chicago Style on the Facebook, the Twitter, the Instagram, and the YouTube. And also visit our website at sportschicagostyle.com and go to the Chez Trips page, and you will see all the ingredients and instructions for all of our video recipes. If you so desire, you can also top the burger with a piece of raw onion while it cooks. Once your burgers are near completion, cover them with cheese and then cover the skillet to allow the cheese to melt into the burger. When the cheese has sufficiently melted, dress your burgers with the toppings of your choice. And they turn out beautifully. Enjoy! Thank you for watching, and be sure to watch for our next video recipe from Chez Trips. See you next time.